Welcome to our tutorial on how to install a WordPress theme on Localhost. WordPress themes are essential for customizing the look and functionality of your website. In this video, we'll explore two methods for installing themes, one using the built-in WordPress theme directory, and another where we'll download a theme from WordPress.org and manually install it on our WAMP server. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's briefly understand what WordPress themes are. Themes are templates that control the visual design and layout of your WordPress website. They allow you to change the look and feel of your site with just a few clicks. Method 1. Installing a theme via WordPress dashboard. To start, log into your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to Appearance and click on Themes. As you can see, WordPress gives you 3 themes from which one is activated by default. To add a new theme, click on the Add New button above. In the Themes section, you can browse and search for a theme that suits your website. You can also filter by various criteria like Popular, Featured, or Latest. If you didn't find your required theme, then search for it by its name or by category. You can preview the theme before installing it. It will show the demo of the theme. When you find a theme you like, click Install to add it to your site. Once the theme is installed, click on Activate. This way your theme will be activated and will be set by the default theme. As you can see, there are now 4 themes available in our dashboard, and our required theme is also activated. You can customize it by clicking on Theme Details and Customize Options. Now let's see where the theme is saved on our local server. For that, go to the WAMP folder, www directory, your site folder, WP Content, Themes, and here you can see our theme is saved. Remember, an internet connection is required for the theme installation for the first time only. After that, you can use it offline as well because it is now on your local server. So this way you can install a theme from your WordPress dashboard. Method 2. Manual theme installation. For Method 2, we'll download a theme from WordPress.org. Search for it on Google and go to the original WordPress.org website. Once on the website, visit the Themes option from the drop-down menu. As you can see, there are many themes available for download. It is similar to Method 1, and the themes are almost the same. But sometimes Method 1 doesn't work well and gives errors. That's why Method 2 will be life-saving. If you get any error in Method 1, then try to use Method 2. Once you find your required theme, simply click on the Download button. It will download in a zip format. Copy and paste your theme file in the required folder under www directory. Now extract the theme here and delete the zip file. As you can see, our theme folder is extracted completely. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Themes, and you should see your manually installed theme. Click Activate to apply it to your site. And there you have it. You've learned 2 methods for installing WordPress themes on your local host. Whether you prefer using the built-in theme directory or manually installing it from WordPress.org, you now have the power to customize your website's appearance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.